Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today we're going to make a chicken casserole. So the first step I'm going to do is I have chicken fillets diced into pieces. So the first step is I'm going to put them in the oven, a preheated oven on 150 degrees. And then while that's cooking, I'm going to chop up the parsnip and carrots. Let's get started. The chicken fillet pieces are now cooking in the oven, and up here I've now chopped up the carrots, broccoli and parsnip. And then once the chicken pieces are starting to cook, we're going to make the chicken casserole and we're going to mix it in with cold water. I've just taken the chicken out of the oven, so now it is cooked. So what we're going to do is add in the veg. Then add in the chicken casserole meal mix. And then your cup of cold water. Now we'll give it a stir around until all the mixture is mixed in with the water. And then what we're going to do next is put it back in the oven and we're going to leave it there to cook. I've just taken it out of the oven after cooking for 30 minutes just to give it a stir around so that all the casserole mix sauce can be mixed in with the chicken and the veg. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven and leave it for it to cook for another 30 minutes. Now I've just taken it out of the oven after another 30 minutes of cooking. So I'm just going to check and see how the vegetable is. The parsnip is soft, the carrots are crunchy and the broccoli is soft. The chicken is cooked, so now we are ready to serve it up. Now we've dished up and we're ready to eat. Remember, subscribe below.